Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about the benefits of reading a newspaper. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Benefits of reading a newspaper. Reading a newspaper offers several benefits, providing a valuable source of information and contributing to personal and societal well-being. Here are some advantages of reading a newspaper. Number 1, current affairs awareness. Newspapers provide up-to-date information on local, national, and international events, helping readers stay informed about what is happening in the world. Number 2, in-depth coverage. Newspapers often offer in-depth analysis and background information on news stories, providing a comprehensive understanding of complex issues. Number 3, critical thinking skills. Reading newspapers requires critical thinking skills as readers evaluate information, consider multiple perspectives, and form their own opinions about news events. Number 4, improves vocabulary. Newspapers use a diverse range of vocabulary, helping readers expand their language skills and develop a more nuanced understanding of words and phrases. Number 5, enhances general knowledge. Regular reading of newspapers contributes to a broader general knowledge base covering topics such as politics, economics, science, culture, and more. Number 6, civic engagement. Newspapers play a crucial role in civic engagement by informing citizens about government activities, policies, and issues. Informed citizens are better equipped to participate in democratic processes. Number 7, business and financial information. Business sections of newspapers offer insights into the stock market, economic trends, and financial advice, which can be valuable for individuals interested in personal finance. Number 8, community news. Local newspapers provide information about events, developments, and issues in the community, fostering a sense of local identity and community engagement. Number 9, source of ideas. Newspapers often include opinions, pieces, editorials, and columns that present different perspectives and ideas, encouraging readers to consider a variety of viewpoints. Number 10, media literacy. Reading newspapers help develop media literacy skills by exposing readers to different writing styles, journalistic techniques, and presentation of information. Number 11, historical perspective. Newspapers serve as historical records documenting events as they unfold. They offer a valuable resource for understanding historical contexts and perspectives. Number 12, encourages reading habits. Regularly reading a newspaper can foster a reading habit which can have positive effects on cognitive abilities and lifelong learning. Number 13, social connection. Sharing news articles and discussing current events with others can foster social connections and promote community dialogue. Number 14, public safety awareness. Newspapers often report on issues related to public safety, providing information about emerg- emergencies, health alerts, and safety tips. 15, entertainment and culture. Newspapers include sections on entertainment, arts, and culture, offering readers a diverse range of topics to explore and enjoy. While digital media has become increasingly popular, newspapers continue to be a valuable and trusted source of information for many people, offering a unique combination of local and global perspectives. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the benefits of reading a newspaper. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video and entertained also. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying Merry Christmas and a prosperous Happy New Year this 2023. Bye bye for now.